What is your life?
My life is Christ's, a vessel for his glory and a weapon for his kingdom.
What is your fate?
My fate is to fulfill his holy will. In victory or death, I serve the kingdom of God.
What is your fear?
I fear no man, no weapon, nor darkness, for God is my shield and my fortress.
What is your reward?
My salvation through Christ is my reward.
What is your craft?
My craft is the battle against darkness. I wield my sword to protect the innocent, and my faith to vanquish evil.
What is your pledge?
My pledge is eternal service to the one true God, Jesus Christ.